Obas, I'm Jack the Greek and welcome back for another one of my episodes. Today on the Crossroad Barbecue we're going to cook a Cypriot meze. We're basically going to cook a few different varieties of what you would have traditionally in Cyprus as a meze. You can also have it as a mixed grill, but today we're going to have it as a nice big meat platter to feed the family. Let's have a closer look. We've got some shiftayes. There we have some beautiful homemade shiftayes, which are pork with onion, parsley, wrapped in lamb's stomach lining. And we have some beautiful Cypriot luganica, some pork souvlaki there, and some beautiful spiced sausages as well. So let's start now preparing to put all our meat on the Crossroad Barbecue. First of all, we've got a beautiful pork. Now traditionally, in Cyprus, the pork for your little souvlaki will be from the pork neck. And that's what we've done here. We've got our pork straight from our butcher at Preston Market, and it's beautiful pork neck. So we've got our souvlaki there. Now I'm putting them here so I can quickly show you what I'm going to do with the salt, pepper and oregano. And all I'm going to do is grab a little bit of pepper, put it on top just like that. We'll keep it there so we can turn them over in a sec. Plenty of salt on your hirino or your pork, and of course some oregano, or as we call it, rigani. So there we go. It's a little bit windy today, but it is working. And then we just turn them over like that. That's what I do. There we go. Beautiful. And that's how you marinate your beautiful pork souvlaki that you're going to put on the Crossroad Barbecue. A bit more salt, just back here. A little bit of pepper. There we go. And of course, a little bit of rigani on this side as well. You would have noticed I've got my lemon from Jack the Greek's garden, but we're going to put them on at the back, at the end, once we've cooked our beautiful pork. So we'll find that one. It's gone somewhere, but that's okay. The next one is our beautiful luganica. So there we are. We've got them there. We don't need to do much with them, but you might ask, what's this for? It's not for a rod. It's not for a souvla. It's for the shiftayes. In Cyprus, traditionally, they have similar little spikes like this that you'll find at any local market to buy, and they use them to put the beautiful shiftayes on them like that. I like to space them out a little bit to let them cook on both sides, but also in between as well, just like that. So we'll put 5 on this one, and we'll put 5 on the other one as well. Just like this. Beautiful. There we go. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And as you can see, with everything I'm cooking today, all of it is homemade, except of course the pork from our local butcher at Preston Market. Our spicy sausages, our luganica, and our shiftayes. And then of course we have our sausages here. While we're here, let's go straight to the Crossroad Barbecue and start putting everything on. You can see they're all roughly the same size and thickness, so I'll be able to cook all the pork products here roughly the same time. So here we go. Bang. Obas. Straight in there. There we go. Beautiful. We'll put our shiftayes on the left. We'll put our luganica just over here. Beautiful. There we go. Our beautiful pork souvlaki just in the middle. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at them all smoke up. We've got all our burners on high on the Crossroad Barbecue, but we are going to turn them down to low once we've put all our products and our meats on the barbecue. So last but not least, our beautiful spicy sausages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Turn down our barbecue just like that. Turn over our shiftayes, and look at that. Already we're starting to cook our beautiful Cypriot meze. Opa. We're halfway through cooking our shiftayes, our pork souvlaki, and our luganica. Let me show you a small trick when it comes down to cooking shiftayes. For me, Jack the Greek, I would normally leave them like this because I've spaced them out. But if you want to cook them a little bit quicker, take them off the grill, just like that. Just take them all off while they're cooking, and as you can see, they've browned up, and spin them to the side, just like that. Opa. There's a trick for you. And then you put them in this way. So again, similar to what we did before, you pass them through just like this, and you can cook them now on the other side as well, just like that. we're back now. It's time to plate up our beautiful Cypriot meat platter. So, first thing, let's get our platter ready. We're going to set up our little table platter today, just like that. And that's where we're going to put all our food. You might be asking, meat. Yes, Jack the Greek loves his meat, but of course, you've got to have some salad. And traditional, let's have some maidano, tomato, and onion salad. That's the best thing that will complement our pork, sausages, our chifta and our souvlaki today. So let's grab the first one. We'll grab our chifta just like this, and I'll put them in here, and then I'll bring them onto the top. So we'll take them off, and as you can see, they're nice and beautiful. Look at that. Okay, cooked all the way through. Nice, brown, caramelized, and we'll bring them on. So let's just put them here. Beautiful, just like that. Beautiful chifta, yes. There we go. Put them just here. Beautiful. There we go. And next one, let's get some lukaniko. And we'll get our Cypriot style lukaniko just there. We'll put a couple there, but we'll also cut a few as well. So we'll cut the next two. I'll cut them up before I put them on. Cut them on an angle, make them look attractive, because they are a bit of a mezze as well. So I'm cutting them up now and quickly bring them over. That's it. Beautiful. There we go. Just like that. Look at that. Look at the shinno inside as well. Yep, that's a seed, traditionally from the Middle East, and the Cypriots call it shinno. So there we go. We next have our spicy lukaniko as well, that we cooked on the Crossroad barbecue, and again, made all at home at Jack the Greek's house with the kids. So we've got just the back sausages just here, just like that. We'll cut up one and we'll put it, oh, it smells beautiful. Beautiful smell, beautiful. And we'll put that at the front, oh, just there, just like that. There we go. And now, of course, let's not forget, we have our beautiful souvlaki. They're very hot, so we're just going to take them off the rods, just like this. Beautiful, look at that. The next one, we'll put it just like that. We'll leave that there. And another one here. Beautiful, look at that. And what we'll do is we'll put plenty of spices on earlier, so we're not going to put many spices on now. We're just going to garnish it with a little bit more origani. We want it out of the salad. We don't want fighting. Just stay there. There we go. Beautiful, just like that. And of course, the other souvlaki can just go at the front there. One more. Beautiful, look at that. And lucky last, can't forget him. Let's just put him here. What a meat platter. This will feed a family of around 6 if you ask me. But today, we're just going to feed the family of 4. Let's put that away, just like that. And of course, let's not forget our limoni, just like this, straight from the garden. Beautiful. Straight over the pork, just like that. On the lukaniko, over the chifta. There we go. Straight, fresh lemon, straight from Jack the Greek's garden. You can't go wrong with that. Clean up a little bit, just here. Put that away. And of course, one last little bit of origani on our pork. Just like that. There we go. Beautiful. Let's just turn around the plate a little bit to show how clean it is. Just like this, clean it up. And of course, once you eat all this, you're going to get nice and thirsty. So enjoy it with the beautiful mythos. Thank you again for watching my show and my videos. Obas from Jack the Greek. Opa.